Alright guys, so today I'm going to actually use my Bosch Professional GLL30 laser level, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put up the coat hanger piece, and I'm going to be using these right here. So let me put it the right way. So I already have a few of them, 2 of them here, because I got another set for Megan's room, right there. And the laser level, as you can see, works really well. It actually goes in and then out and then up, but as you can see there, I have a measure. And that is level, and it's just going on and off because I'm moving around. So it came with little screws, but I'm going to use drywall screws. I'm not too, came with like the silver screws, but you know what, just for a little bit extra reinforcement, I'm going to use the drywall screws. I don't know how well you're going to see this, but I'll show you when I'm done. Here, and what I'm doing is I'm centering the, I'll show you, the beam to the top there, because I don't want it too far down, and I figure if I put it down like from the top down, it'll be too far down. So I don't know, that's just my thought. Could be wrong, because once I put a shelf up there for us challenged people when it comes to height, might be too high, but me, you can always lower it. Oops, if I have the drill. Okay, so another thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna measure my point, because I'd hate to put it up and then it's in the wrong place and then it's like crooked, right? So I want to make sure I have it somewhat to the center. I'll go there, 11 1/4. Put my mark on 11 1/4. Alright guys, so I've already marked the spot where I'm going to put the bottom piece here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this here and I'm going to put it into the hole here. And I'm going to put it just right like that. You can see there. be around this way. Perfect. And I'm going to do the same on this side. I'll just spin that a bit there. Try not to get my body in the picture. Okay, I'm just going to straighten that a bit. There we go. Just like that. One. And there. And two. All right. Now, be able to hang up some jackets. So let's see here. So put this over here. Still gotta paint these walls, but now we have something pretty strong there. All right. Perfect. This hung up. Nice and solid. I think that'll do, guys. I think it'll do just fine. A few other jackets I can hang up. Gotta save one though. Megan's coming on the weekend there. Perfect. So guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope this helped you out a bit. This laser level here is awesome. So anybody that comes out to the house, they can come and hang up their jackets. Megan will be at the house on the weekend, and she's definitely going to be hanging up her jacket because she's been at me for getting stuff done around the house for quite some time, and she'll be happy that this is done. Now I have to do the closet in her room so she can organize some of her stuff as well. I do want to thank you for tuning into my channel, for watching this little how-to video, and if you haven't already, feel free to subscribe, hit the bell for more videos when they come up, and also give your thumbs up and put a comment below and I'll get back to you. And I do appreciate every single one of you that watch my video as I grow my channel, and you are all fantastic people, and you're watching me build my dreams, and I hope that you guys are building your dreams too. So thank you once again, and this is my little house, my little home. It's right here, and it's got lots of work to do yet, but I'm doing it one day at a time, one step at a time, and I'm getting it done. So anyways, guys, stay tuned. I'll be posting more videos on what I'm doing. I still have to do the pantry and a few other things, but I think the next video we'll be doing for a building video will be the wood storage unit, and that I should be posting a part 2 series on that shortly. Thanks once again. Remember to subscribe, leave your comments, and feel free to slam that bell. All right. See you later, guys. Adios. Ciao.